Managing your housing stock is now easier than ever with Ideal Heating's new Link technology. Designed in-house, Link Cellular gives you a revolutionary insight into the central heating and hot water performance of your housing stock, allowing you to monitor and diagnose faults, understand boiler usage, and view service reminders. Link Cellular is a one-off cost with no monthly or yearly subscription. When combined with an open therm controller such as Halo Light, the Link Cellular gives you a full insight into the heating ecosystem, monitoring actual and target room temperatures to help manage tenant household energy consumption. The plug-and-play design enables Link Cellular to be fully installed into Logic 2 boilers in under 5 minutes. And registration of the device is completed at installation via the simple-to-use Link Pro app. Reporting back to our intuitive partner portal powered by Link, giving you the information needed to provide smart support to identify and manage faults proactively. Saving you time by allowing engineer resource to be used more efficiently, as well as the option to perform remote resets. To find out more, visit the social housing section of our website.